Here's the truth when it comes to Clickbank affiliate marketing. You can't promote it with Facebook, you can't promote it with Google, and you can't promote it anywhere. Clickbank affiliate marketing is the biggest trap, especially for beginners. And in this video, I'll give you exact money equation that you simply must know if you care to make money as an affiliate. What I can promise right here, right now, is that by the end of this video, you will get a new perspective on Clickbank and how to make money with it. So get ready to learn a lot. Now, before I jump into it, please hit that like button for me. It will help others to discover this video and get a proper education on how to get results with affiliate marketing today. All right, so you have been considering to make some money with Clickbank affiliate marketing, or you have tried it already. Maybe you have watched some videos where YouTubers are bragging about a few $100s that they made on Clickbank with supposedly secret and simple method or something like that. Well, in this video, I'll give you the truth. You'll discover the money equation of Clickbank offers that will change your perspective for good. By the way, my name is Peter Geraghty. I'm the founder and CEO of Dashnix, and I have made millions as an affiliate, including multiple six figures on Clickbank. But my affiliate marketing results mostly come from promoting high-ticket launches using my nearly 90,000 email list that I have built over the years, and not thanks to some secret trick or shortcut. So with that in mind, let's jump to the money equation that will change your perspective for good and will open up your view on how Clickbank affiliate marketing really works. So why people choose to promote Clickbank products? Well, mostly that's because it sounds so simple and effortless, right? You grab a special link known as Hop Link, place it anywhere online, social profiles, articles, groups, forums, videos, etc. Someone clicks your link, goes to the offer that vendor you selected is selling, and buys. You get paid typically 30 to 100% commission from the value of the transaction, and that's about it. You make lots of money without talking to anyone or revealing anything about yourself, providing customer service, and delivering on the promise made with the offer. Sounds super simple, right? Well, here is what most forget or simply don't know. Just like with anything in life, also making money with affiliate marketing involves these two things, time and effort. Only time plus effort can equal results. And so if you want to make $10,000 within 30 days, the unknown question and something you need to calculate is the effort. So let's get that answer. So what it would take for you to make $10,000 with Clickbank affiliate marketing. So we know the result. We want $10,000 in 30 days. And the first step that you would need to take is pick a winning offer to promote. So you would go to the Clickbank marketplace, you would click on the magnifying glass to sort it by the current bestseller across the entire marketplace based on gravity. You would see the metrics, how much money you can make with the initial sale, and you would pick an offer you would like to promote. In my screenshot on the left, you can see the offer called Exipure. Exipure is in the health and fitness niche, and you can see that the average dollars per conversion is 150.56, and you can also see that the initial conversion is $146.14. Plus, they have some recurring billing happening as well, which is always nice, which means you can make some money down the road as well. This is where everything becomes real, because in the step number 2, and this is what most people don't talk about, is you need to calculate the effort. And here you need a metric called EPC, or earnings per click. It tells you how much money you can expect to make per visitor that you will send via your affiliate link. And typically, vendor will share this information with affiliates via email or a dedicated affiliate page. So in our example, Exipure, the vendor is sharing this information via his affiliate page, and it's this: enjoy huge $3 to $5.5 EPCs. So what the above tells us is that we can expect to make between $3 to $5.5 per visitor. I want you to stop for a second and I want you to notice the difference in your perception, because Just moments ago, you looked at the average dollars per conversion, which are 150.56. You probably got excited and you think, wow, just 10 sales could make $1,500 in a breeze. But now you are looking at something else. You look at a metric that says enjoy huge, as it would be awesome, right? It would be something positive, $3 to $5.5 EPCs. There is a difference between these metrics, and most people don't understand this money equation, which defines everything when it comes to the results with affiliate marketing. So if the goal is $10,000 in 30 days, and you expect to make between $3 to $5.5 per visitor, so your effort required to get the result is between $10,000 divided by 3, that's 3,334 unique visitors on the low end, or $10,000 divided by 5.5, that's 1,818 visitors on the high end. So that's between 61 to 112 unique visitors per day. Now let's explore some options that you can use to get 2,000 to 3,000 unique visitors within 30 days in order to achieve your objective, make $10,000 with affiliate Clickbank marketing. So first obvious one is Facebook ads, including Instagram ads, right? Hands down the best traffic generation platform available today. Getting 2,000 to 3,000 visitors is a breeze. If you do things right, it will cost you between 30 cents to $2 per visitor. But the problem is that you can't drive Facebook traffic directly to an offer page on Clickbank. You need to use what's known as a buffer website. It's a website that is owned by you, has its own brand, and from the outside looking is a legitimate business that provides value to Facebook users. Using a buffer website will reduce the traffic that actually sees the offer page that you promote by about 50 to 70% of those people that will click on your ad. So the actual costs that you will need to carry will be close to $1 to $5 per offer page visitor, and that's huge. Another thing you can use is, of course, Google ads, including YouTube ads. A very powerful platform, especially YouTube ads. So if you can create an effective video ad, you can easily drive 2,000 to 3,000 visitors within 30 days. But things to note here are as following. You can't drive traffic directly to the offer page, just as it was with Facebook ads. So you need a strong buffer website with a real brand, and you'll need to verify it. The minimum investment for testing is expected to be between $1,000 to $2,000 per offer. So in order to dial in your ad and understand whether the ad actually works, that's the amount of money you will need to spend. And also the downside of Google Ads is that it's pretty hard to manage if you are new to this. So there is quite a big learning curve in order to just get used to the way how the platform works and really be effective at this. The third source of traffic could be free social posts and, of course, YouTube videos. So if you are creative and can produce engaging videos for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, and they really go viral, especially in YouTube, where you can place your affiliate link underneath the video itself, it will be easy to get 2,000 to 3,000 visitors per month. But since they won't be targeted, meaning you won't have the option to select who can see your videos, you need to drive at least 3 to 5 times more traffic to get the same result. So if we look at all the things we can do to get the traffic we need to look at the Facebook ads. So that will be $1 to $5 per visitor. You need at least $112 to $504 per day. And the cash required in order to really get started is 14 days upfront, because you get paid from Clickbank every other week. You can set it for a weekly, but initially it will be at least 2-3 weeks before you will get the payment if you are successful. Google Ads, so testing budget, you need to be ready to put in about $1,000 to $2,000. If you find a winner, you'll need to be willing to spend $112 to $504 per day, so similar to the Facebook. And again, cash required is 14 days upfront, so that's the money you need to have before you start to get some returns. And finally, social traffic. Viral video is required. That means you need to have some social skills, some human psychology skills, things like that. There will be some production costs involved, cameras and recording and really all those things. So minimum of 3 to 5 times more traffic you need to produce with videos, with these free social videos, than it is with ads. So realistically, from where you stand right now, with all the knowledge that you have, your budget, your experience, your skills and know-how, do you feel confident that you can drive 2,000 to 3,000 targeted visitors to an offer page within 30 days? So what I want you to do right now is comment under this video right now and tell me if you think you have everything you need to make it possible. There is one more thing which people don't talk about, because you see, money is always relative to time. Making $10,000 per month sounds nice, but making $10,000 per year makes you poor. So you have to look at the time all the time. Time demands payments. Your house, car, bills, health, education, other expenses. Every minute you invest in something has cost associated with it. So think about these two buckets. You have the income bucket. It's how much money you produce from the time and effort you put in. And then you have the wealth bucket, which is how much time you can buy for something that creates money without your daily direct effort. And here is an example. Let's say you need $5,000 every month to pay for your time. House, car, health, education, all these things. So if your wealth bucket is zero, you need to make all $5,000 from your time and effort. But if your wealth bucket is producing $2,500, you only need to invest half of your time and effort to make the rest of it. So you just bought $2,500 worth of time back. So time and effort equals results. Are you confident that with the knowledge that you have now about the equation of making money on Clickbank, you can make at least $10,000 within the next 30 days and achieve your financial objectives, build your wealth along the way? Comment under the video right now and let me know what you think. All right, now you know why it's so damn hard for most affiliates to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. It's not impossible, but it's very unlikely for an average marketer with a limited budget to get any real traction on Clickbank. Now, if you want to learn how to build profitable affiliate marketing business even when starting from scratch, simply click the link in the description and watch my free presentation. You'll learn the exact sequence to make money today. Finally, before we wrap up this video, please leave a comment and share your experience with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Have you tried to promote anything before? How it has been working for you? So share your experience or ask me any question. I will make sure to read every comment and respond. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video. That's it for today. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.